Hi, I'm Stephanie with Garden Tap, and today we're going to plant our plant boxes. I'll be planting my plant boxes individually, but you can also plant them stacked. There are so many different types of plants you can use. Just remember, is it going in sun, shade, outdoors, or even indoors? Today I will be planting herbs, some sedums, and some shade perennials. All you need is a peat-free soil, your plants, and some water. The first thing we're going to do is fill our box with some soil. Next, we plant. First, remove the pots. Break up those roots. Make sure to plant your plants towards the front of the box on a forward incline so that once stacked, the plants can continue to thrive. Once you're finished planting, we are now going to fill the water filter. If you are stacking them, first assemble them stacked, then fill from the top, and it will trickle down. Simply add water to the water filter until the indicator has moved to the full position.
And just like that, you have a beautiful vertical garden.
With PlantBlox, the possibilities are endless.